Kevin Grass, back here 6 months later, excited to share with you the news of and how I look. As you can see, pretty fantastic results. Very excited about it. The great part to me is right along my hairline. I don't know if you guys have driven down the road and seen these hair advertisements, and they look like they have a perfect rug on their head or a perfect line across their head, which makes it very obvious that you've had something done. Again, looks totally natural. Nobody even knows I've had anything done other than friends and family. Even then, it kind of looks like I might have changed shampoos or something like that, and all of a sudden started growing hair. So again, I'll give you a good idea of what it looks like in the rear. The fantastic part is, even 6 months later, my understanding is that you're going to have results that are going to continue to improve 12, 14, even 16 months out. So I expect to even have more hair growth, but frankly, this is way beyond my expectations to start with.